This course is about proactively working together with others in ways that will help you to communicate more effectively as you work with them to understand and resolve differences that lead to conflict. In addition, the skills, processes and tools taught within this course can bring value to other aspects of your life. We look at emotional intelligence as a fundamental part of conflict. We'll explore a really interesting idea around conflict which looks at the way in which you work with and manage your emotions. This is known as the Chimp Paradox. Completing this course, you'll be able to describe conflict and how it arises. You'll be able to identify toxic situations and ways to handle them successfully. You'll be able to explain how emotional intelligence is involved in managing and resolving conflict, and there'll be opportunities for you within the course to assess your current mode of conflict and others' modes of conflict. We'll explore an extremely well-known and very robust assessment of conflict known as the Kilmann mode of conflict model. This is one of the most widely known and most widely respected models of conflict, covering 5 modes of handling conflict. Having an understanding of these will help you to recognize ways to work with these modes more effectively. You'll be able to determine ways to adapt your flexibility around time, and you'll be able to develop your capabilities to resolve difficulties with people as they happen. So let's get started, and let's get started looking at a topic which can cause a lot of conflict, both internally, within yourself, and externally when you work with other people: giving and receiving feedback.